one of those guys who records himself walking. One of those guys who record themselves walking. Recording myself walking is a great activity to do at all times. I've always been told something's bad for you. I've always been told KFC and Burger King are safer. Okay, I'll try to eat fresh. Wait, no, he ate fresh and he's went bald. I would never mistakenly think he was.
No, it's not.
Oh, I must have been mistaken. I'll eat fresh then. Sure. Yeah, I'll take the Operation Comedy sandwich. I'm scared.
Eat fresh.
You ready to eat fresh? Fresher than you've ever ate before? Are you?
Operation Comedy's totally fake commercials. Totally fake.